How to make apps bigger on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. This page allows you to adjust the screen brightness, switch between light and dark appearance, enable True Tone, and configure other display-related settings. Here, scroll down to the Display section and go to Display Zoom. Here, you can choose a view for iPhone. Note that larger text shows larger controls but default shows more content. Select larger text. And then, go to the top right corner and tap on Done. All the apps and text on your phone will now become larger. Following these steps, you can easily make apps bigger on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.